How to add a customer to your membership area, course, or offer. In this video, we will show you how to add somebody to your product, or to your offer, or to your membership area as a whole. We will explore a few different options you can choose to accomplish this. The first option is by using a trigger. There are many different ways you can use standard triggers to accomplish this. Using the contact tag trigger is a popular option, but for this video, we will be using the two-step order form trigger. Then add a funnel filter and select the funnel which will contain your membership product. You can also add other filters if you need to further specify the use of this trigger. Now you should add an action and select Membership Grant Offer. Then you will need to select the specific offer you want to be included. If you have not yet created a membership, you will need to do so before you continue. We have other videos that go over membership creation if you need more information. Once you save and activate the trigger, it will give the customer the option to access the membership once they complete the appropriate two-step order form in the funnel containing the membership product. Once they are granted access, there are several different triggers for memberships specifically that you can use to better control and enhance their use of the membership area. Another option is to grant them access through using the funnel that contains the membership product. Navigate to your membership funnel. On the step that will allow the customer to purchase your membership, make sure that you have created the membership product. Go to the Products menu. You may have to create a new product if you have not done so yet. If you already have a membership product, click on Edit and scroll down and see if the Membership Offer option is enabled. Once that has been clicked, it will configure the product as a membership with whichever course you select. Again, if you have not yet created a membership course, you will need to do so before you can enable the product as a membership. Now, if you want to give the customer access to the membership area in the same funnel after they make their purchase, here's a way you can do that. Go back to the funnel overview and select or create a step following the purchase of the membership. Click on Edit. In the editor, add a new button to the funnel. Then scroll down the button settings. Click on Button Actions and change it to Go to Membership. Now, once the customer clicks on the button, they will be directed to the membership area. Whenever the customer purchases the membership product, they should be given their login information and the option to log in through a separate email. But if you want them to get access to the membership area directly after their purchases, this is the way to do it. These are just a few ways you can give customers access to your membership area or course.